Hey, what's going on, guys? Boosted Whips here. I'm going to be doing another nice installation video of the Lasfit. These are the 10T bulbs. This is for the interior lighting. This replaces here and the center dome light. To remove these, this is very easy. I'm using a flathead screwdriver. I basically got in here very softly. Since this is metal, I recommend a plastic tool. But this worked for me. I just went in carefully here, tapped it out, and the door came down already. And should be something like this. And we're just gonna replace the bulb. Very easy. Just pull out. It's a little peanut bulb, and we just replace it with the other one. So I'm gonna put the bulb right here, and I'm gonna bring out the other one. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and insert the new bulb in here. Goes in real easily. I'm gonna give this a shot. Wow, that's super bright. Looks really nice. I'm gonna go ahead and do a comparison with the stock OEM, which is like incandescent yellow, versus the T10 from Lasfit, nice and extreme bright white. Looking real nice. I'm gonna go ahead and finalize this one and give you a final overlook, and then we'll work on the center dome. We got the other side on. I'm gonna go ahead and put the cover back on. Very easy, it's on there. Bam, bam. Look at that beauty. Looks real nice. I'm gonna go ahead and work on the center dome, and then I'll give you an outside view on how it looks, and then a nice night view. Alright guys, same concept here with a flathead screwdriver or anything that's kind of plastic. You're gonna get in through the back. There's some grooves back there. One on each side. Sorry about that. That came off right there. And go ahead and grab one of these bulbs. And go ahead and replace them. Same thing. It's a little peanut size. Alright guys, I went ahead and I replaced the bulb. It's a little hard to get this one out. You just got to get in a nice comfortable position and kind of put your two fingers in there and kind of grab the bulb and pull out. It's being held down by two metal clips there, so that's what makes it a little hard. It's actually pressed on much harder than the other bulbs in the front, but it comes off easily. It's just a little bit more. You just got to be a little bit in a comfortable position and then just kind of pull out and then put in the new bulb, and that's it. So that's just how this one looks. Sorry, on it's this way. Really nice, all white. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave it here. I'm gonna go ahead and film through the outside so you guys can see. We'll get a final shot at night and we'll wrap this up. There it is, guys. Looks really nice, super bright. Definitely highly recommend these. I'm gonna go ahead and take a night view shot and then we'll wrap this up. Alright guys, so here's the night shot. I'm gonna cover previously how the other lights look. This is low beam, Lasfit. Turn signal super bright. That's how it looks from the outside with the T10 bulbs. Big difference. Just looks phenomenal, guys. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up, but here's the night shot. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, share, and subscribe as always. Go to Lasfit website and use Boosted HLZ and you get 10% off on these bulbs right here. Makes the car look real nice. Anyways guys, until next time, Boosted Whips, I'm out. Have a very pleasant day.